Jamaica, watch
Residents
this.
of Flanker and neighboring communities in St. James are standing firm in a growing months-long legal battle over access to Flanker Providence Beach, insisting the land belongs to the people. The community members carried out a beach cleanup on the property earlier this week. Amoy Harriet has the details.
When I was smaller, me and my cousin, my dad and my uncle usually bring us to the beach, this beach, and we come and play and enjoy ourselves. But by growing, things change.
Shonda has lived in Flanker, St. James for all her life. The beach she's referring to is the Flanker Providence Beach. Like her, this beach holds memories for many.
There were craft vendors there, traders there. There was music. My first two-piece that me feel like me big at this.
The property is currently the subject of a lawsuit being heard in the St. James Parish Court, scheduled for continuation on May 5. The suit was brought before the courts by residents of Providence and Flanker last year, with support from the Jamaica Beach Birthright Environmental Movement, JABEM. The defendants are the Commissioner of Lands, Real Estate Agency, Le Cap Rivera Estate Limited, and the Airports Authority of Jamaica. It came about after Sandals Resorts International indicated its intention to develop the beach, including plans to build villas and overwater bungalows.
By doing so, that will dispossess, that will displace the community from this space. The space is used by fisher folks, it's used by recreational users, right? And it's used by spiritual community. It is linked to the cultural heritage of Montegonians. It's linked to Flanker. So we can't allow, for another piece of beach to be lost for the tourism product.
Dr. Devon Taylor is president of JABEM. He's doubling down on his position that consideration must be given to the rights of the residents regarding the disputed land.
So what has been projected in Jamaica, that exclusive beach and private beach are necessary for the success of the Jamaican tourism product, is a lie. It's a blatant lie told to us by our government, right? And enforced by the hotels who have license to the beaches them to exclude the Jamaican people, saying they are not, compatible. No, there's no mutual exclusivity that you must have hotel beaches and then local beaches. What that is in Jamaica is segregation. So the hotel industry has driven a segregated beach model in Jamaica that we must abolish.